Are you dreaming of moving to a coastal paradise, somewhere with year-round sunshine, palm-lined streets, and homes that blend luxury and lifestyle? Whether you're considering Tampa or St. Petersburg or anywhere in the Tampa Bay area, I'm here to help you navigate one of Florida's most desirable real estate markets. I'm Britta Becker, your local Tampa Realtor and host of American Dream TV's Selling Tampa, where I showcase the incredible homes, neighborhoods, and lifestyle that make Tampa Bay one of the best places to live in the country. You may have seen my other American Dream TV segments like Inside, a $22.9 million estate, or perhaps the Tampa Bay Frogman Swim. And today we're diving into what it is that you exactly need to know before you buy or move to Florida's Gulf Coast. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and download my free Tampa relocation guide. It's packed with insider tips on neighborhoods, schools, and local hotspots from Tampa to St. Pete. So here goes. The coastal lifestyle. There's a reason people are moving to Tampa Bay in record numbers. Coastal living here means that you can wake up to sunrise views over the bay, walk to waterfront dining, spend weekends kayaking or paddleboarding or boating, or simply relaxing on nearby beaches like St. Pete Beach, Clearwater, and Davis Islands. But before you make that move or this move, it's important to understand the coastal real estate landscape. Homes near the water come with added considerations, things like flood zones, elevation, insurance requirements, and construction type all play a role in the long-term value and maintenance costs of every home. The good news? Tampa Bay real estate offers something for every lifestyle. Whether you prefer the historic charm of Hyde Park, or perhaps the luxury of Harbor Island, or perhaps even the artistic energy of downtown St. Petersburg. If you're buying along Florida's coast, here are my top real estate tips to help you make a smart move. Number one, know your flood zone. Coastal homes are beautiful, but check FEMA maps for flood risk and elevation. This will affect insurance, resale value, and financing. Number two, understand insurance changes. Florida's insurance market has shifted. Having a realtor who knows current regulations can save you thousands. Number three, work with a local expert. Every neighborhood in Tampa Bay is different. Areas like Beach Park, Snell Isle, and Treasure Island, for example, all vary in price and elevation and, of course, waterfront access. Number four, get pre-approved early. Competition can be fierce, especially for waterfront homes. A strong offer backed by a trusted lender gives you an edge. And five, think long-term value. Coastal properties tend to appreciate faster, especially in walkable, high-demand areas near downtown or the beaches. Remember, the goal isn't just to buy a home, it's to find the right property that fits your lifestyle, investment goals, and future plans. And here's Tampa Bay lifestyle and personal insight. As someone who lives and works right here in Tampa Bay, I've seen firsthand how this area transforms lives. The Tampa lifestyle is more than just warm weather. It's about community, convenience, and connections. You can spend your mornings on the Tampa River Walk, enjoy lunch in Hyde Park Village, and be on a sailboat by sunset from the Davis Islands Yacht Club or perhaps St. Pete Marina. That balance of city sophistication and coastal charm is what makes Tampa Bay one of the fastest growing destinations for home buyers and investors alike. So whether you're relocating from across the country or moving locally, I love helping clients discover hidden gems. From historic bungalows in Palmacia to modern new construction homes along Snell Isle and or Coffee Pot Bayou. So here goes. If you're thinking about moving to the Tampa Bay area, don't just scroll through listings. Connect with someone who truly knows this market. As a local Tampa Realtor and the host of American Dream TV, I've helped countless clients navigate buying, selling, and investing right here on Florida's Gulf Coast. Thank you so much for watching. If you've found any value in this video, please like, share, and subscribe. And I will look forward to getting your call. Thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.